There are a lot of students that will wait 4 months, 3 months, 2 months. Some will even wait 1 month to the exam. Some will even wait 3 weeks to the exam before they start preparing. That's not a good method. The best time to prepare for an exam is yesterday, was yesterday. And the next best time to prepare for an exam is today. If you have a UTME question that says that the diagram below shows the force 4 Newton, 6 Newton, 10 Newton, and 8 Newton when acting at a point O, so this is the point O, and then in a direction indicated the net horizontal forces. So this is horizontal forces. Now let's redraw the diagram. We have this diagram here. So acting towards this point is 8 Newton. Acting towards this point is 6 Newton. And then we have 60 degree and we have 60 degree. All right, it's 60 degree. And then we have 10 Newton. And then we have 4 Newton. Now, how do we solve for horizontal forces? If you remember that f of x, which is horizontal forces, is force cos theta. And then we have this one, let's call this f of x1, and this is f of x2. Now let's solve. For f of x1, it is force cos theta, which is, what's the force there? The force there is 8 Newton. 8 times by cos 60. Let's see what it will give you. Now, cos 60 should be 0.5. So we have 8 times by cos 60. 0.5 times 8. So this is 4. So 8 times cos 60 is, okay, let me do it for those, times 0.5. Now this is eventually 4 Newton. Now let's solve for the, let's put it here, fx2, which is f2, this should be f1, f2 cos theta. Now what is the f2? This is 6 Newton times by cos theta. Now this is 6 times, what's cos theta? 0.5. Now what will be my answer? 6 times 0.5. 6 times 0.5. That will give me 3. So we have 3 Newton. Now the overall force of the overall force acting towards the direction is now the whole force, the total force is now 4 plus 3 plus 10. This is what we got the time. And everything here will be, this is 14, 15, 16, this is 17 Newton. Now, having said that, you are asked the question, the net forces is, the net force is the difference between the forces here and the forces here. So let's use this point. So the net force, okay, the net force is simply equals to the force on the left, let's say F, force on the left, okay, force on the right axis minus the force on the left. Now the total force here is 17 Newton minus the total force here is 14 Newton. Now this minus this, it should give me 13 Newton. So this is my final answer. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.